The city of Houston and the surrounding areas were hit by Hurricane Harvey. Many lives have been changed forever due to the 1,000-year flood event. After seeing the devastation, I realized that our community could make a difference in the lives of the survivors of Hurricane Harvey. I have launched a donation drive called Henderson Helps Houston. The city of Houston is in dire need of diapers, toiletries, and cleaning supplies. We as a community can make a difference by donating just one item. Donation bins will be available at all city recreation centers and City Hall. The drive will last through Thursday, September 21st, concluding at my next Mayor's March On event at the Heritage Park Senior Facility. I urge you to take a moment and make a donation to help the residents of Houston get back on their feet. Let's come together as a community and contribute and show Houston that they have City of Henderson's full support. Thank you.